Hi friends, welcome back to Securium Academy. Today we will learn HTML full basic course. Let's start the lab. First of all, we go to our desktop and create one folder. You right click on your desktop, then click on folder and type any name. I'm typing it like web data. Then go to this folder and create first one more folder and type this name like CSS and again create folder, and now you type here name like script, and third folder is the like image, and next folder you create here and keep this name like mp3, then enter, and next folder is like videos, then enter. You create this folder in your web data folder. Now you press Windows plus R, then you type in notepad. Now you first of all you type here like HTML. First I make the like a font size that visible for you. Now you click on format, then click on font and take the font size according to you, then click on OK. Now you type this called is tag in HTML. Now you type here your program name is HTML. This word called is completely HTML tag. We start our coding with this tag, then we enter and we click on file, then click on save. Now you type here index.html and go to your desktop, open your web data folder and go to here save as type, select here all file, then click on save. We have got successfully one like web page. You double click on this, it's opening like this. Okay, but it's not showing here anything. Now we'll learn next how to host our website on internet. Now we click on the new tab and first of all you open here Google. You type here like www.google.com, then you search here like free web hosting area, then enter, then go to this website and type here like your domain name. Like my name is Mr. Aki, I'm typing here like mr.aki, then select your subdomain, like I'm selecting here eu5.org, then you click on proceed, wait few seconds. Okay, it's saying is the invalid. Okay, now we again typing here like without space Mr. Aki, then go to here and select this, then go to. Okay, now you type here your email address. I'm typing here like my email address, then password any which you want. Then you click here, you select the agreement, then click on the create. Now you wait few seconds, we have created successfully account on free web hosting area. Now we need a next tool for uploading a website on internet. That's name is the FileZilla. You go to Google and search here FileZilla. You click here, then go to first link, then you click on the download FileZilla client, then you click on the first link, then you click on save and wait for a few seconds, it's downloading. Now you click on this file. Okay, we click on OK, then go to directories and we right click here, then click on run as administrator, then we click have I agree, then you wait, then you click on next and wait. Now you click on finish, then click on OK. Now we go to our web page. It's showing here some information about our account. You go to down, it's showing here like your personal FTP information. Now you copy this information and go to FileZilla, then go to host and then Control V, go to second tab, username and paste. Now you type here your password, then you click on Quick Connect, then you click on OK. Now you wait, it's taking a time. We have successfully connected with our web hosting. Now we have successfully connected with our web hosting server. Now you select all files, then you right click and delete. Remember, you don't delete this file. Okay, now you go to this section and go to top and click on desktop. It's showing here your all desktop data. Now we go to web data folder and select all file, then you right click, then click on upload. Now you wait few seconds. Our all file is uploaded on server. Okay, our one file is pending like index.html. Now you wait few seconds for this file. Okay, great, it's successfully uploaded on server. Now we go to again click on OK and wait. It's taking a time, keep patience. Okay, now we go to web browser and copy our domain name. This is our domain name and copy this and go to URL box and you paste here. Control V, then enter. Okay, it's showing our like blank page. Here is nothing. Now go back your FileZilla, then you select this option, always apply to current section, then click on OK. Okay, it's running. Now we go back on our HTML page. Now we type second line here like title tag. You type a title. Now you type here your title means your page name, like I'm typing here Mr. Aki. Then you close this. When you create any tag, in the last you close. Now you type here like slash title. This line is our now completed. Now enter. Now you press Ctrl S, save. After saving this file, you go back here and you again here and again click on upload. You select here, always this section. You select this option, then you click on OK. Now you wait few seconds, go to web page and you refresh. Okay, it's showing here my name, Mr. Aki. Okay, in this way you create work on HTML page. Okay, now we go back here on our HTML page. Now I'm typing my second line like body. Then you press Ctrl S and again upload your site web page on internet. And refresh. It's not showing anything. Okay, this tag start for your coding, next tag for your page name, third tag is for your page. Okay, this section is our page, but here is nothing because we need type something after body, that time your text show in your page, like I'm typing here random anything. Then we press Ctrl S and go to FileZilla. Okay, it's again, we click here, then again upload and go to web page and refresh. Okay, you go back here, then click on OK again and you again refresh. Okay, it's showing here. This is the text showing on our web page. Now go back on HTML. Now you enter. Okay, now you type here HTML tag, because in the last we close this. First we close body, then enter. Now you close here HTML. Now we write down any code, anything here between body tag. Okay, you make all code here. This is our program format. Now we close this and go to here. Now we typing first tag, that's name is the heading. Now first we use like here P use for paragraph. We typing here P tag, then we type here and like anything randomly we typing it, like we go to Google and copy the any material for our web page. We click on this link and we copy this code. You press Ctrl C and go to your notepad page and then you Ctrl V. Okay, it's showing here our code. Now in the last we close this. You type here P and close this tag in the last, because here is work is completed. Now you press Ctrl S, then go to your web page and first go to FileZilla, then click on OK and go to here and refresh. Okay, your text is showing here. Next we go back our HTML page. Okay, now our HTML code is not showing in good way. It's showing like we are typing any text or notes in HTML. Okay, now we make the like a good environment for our coding. Now we close this. Now we go to Google again and download next tool, that's name is the Notepad++. You type here Notepad++, then enter and go to first link. It's taking a time, keep patience. Okay, now you click on the first link. Then you click on download. Then click on save. It's downloading. Now you click here and click on this. Then click on OK, then yes, then next, agree, again. Okay, we don't need like shortcut on desktop, then we click on install. If you need, you select that option. Now we click on finish. Okay, we close this. Then if you want to run after finish, you select this, otherwise you click on finish. After finishing this, you go to your search box. I'm using like Windows 8, I'm clicking here. Then we go to down and select search here like Notepad. It's showing here. Then we click here and pin to start and then click here. Notepad successfully open in my PC. Now you click on file, then you click on open. Now go to desktop and go to your folder web data, then open this file. Okay, it's showing here like good way. Now you open this, make size full. Now we again click on view and make the like a font size little bit big for you. You go to zoom section and click here. Okay, it's showing like some code is going to another direction. You go to view and click on the word wrap. Now it's good. Okay, next I want this line is like a bold, only bold. Now I'm using the second tag, that's name is the bold tag. You type here B, then you press Ctrl S. Okay, I think I make like a little bit more big size for you. Now we go to again view and make like a zoom size again. I think it's now good. Now I'm using B tag for bold. Now press Ctrl S and go to your FileZilla and again upload this file index.html. After uploading this, go to your web page and refresh. Okay, now my showing here like all text is bold, but I need only this line bold. Problem this because I have applied B tag on all code. So now we close this. After this line, you type a close tag B, then you press Ctrl S and go to your web page. FileZilla. First upload again. You click on OK and go to web page and refresh. Okay, now this line is showing only bold. Now go back on Notepad++. Now I need this line like a italic. You press here I for italic. Now close here. Then press Ctrl S. Then go to web page and again refresh. Okay, now my line is showing is italic here. Next is the underline. I want like this line underline. Now you press here U tag, you type here U tag, then you close here U tag. Then you press Ctrl S and go to FileZilla and again upload. Then OK. After uploading this, go to web page and refresh again. Okay, it's now showing here underline. Okay, we have done like B bold, U underline, I for italic. Okay, now next we enter here. Now I want like use headings. Now you type here H1 is the like a big heading for your text. You typing here like playground for coders. Then you close your H1 tag. You type here H1, then close, then again enter, press Ctrl S and go to your web page and again refresh. Okay, sorry, we forget. You go to FileZilla first of all and again right click, then click on upload. After uploading this file, you go to here and again refresh. Okay, then again click on OK. Now again refresh. Okay, it's showing here our first heading. This is our heading 1. Here upon we copy this line. We copy this line and paste here. Then again enter. Now we type here second heading like heading 2. Then you type here anything like second heading. Then you close this H2, then enter. Now you take next heading like H3 and close again. then enter. Now you type it like heading 4, then you close again H4. In this way you write down again like H5 and H6. In this way you again type like H5 and close, and last heading is the H6 and close again H6. After closing this, now we copy this, Ctrl C and paste here. Now we change here like second, third. You type here third, and then fourth, 5th, 5th, 6th. Last is the 6th. Okay, now we copy this line and paste to after every heading. Now go to here, enter and Ctrl V, then again and Ctrl V and go to down and click here, again paste and enter, again paste here and go to down and paste. Now you press Ctrl S and go to FileZilla and again you upload your file. And go to web page and refresh. Okay, this is your heading 1, heading 2, heading 3, heading 4, heading 5, heading 6. In this way you use your headings according to your paragraph. Now go back your HTML page, then enter. Next is the font. You type here like font code, you type here font. Then you type here space size equal, I want like I think it's a 7 is the last. You type it like 7. Then you type any text here, like I'm typing here welcome, HTML code. Then you close this. You type here slash, then you type here font, it's closing. Now you press Ctrl S and go to FileZilla and again upload your file, then OK. After uploading this file, you go to your web page and refresh your web page and go to down. Okay, it's showing here welcome. Now go back on our HTML page. Now we copy this line, now paste. Now we make like size 12. Now we check it's working or not. You press Ctrl S and go to FileZilla and again upload this file, then OK. It's uploading. Now go to your web page and refresh. Okay, it's working. I think it's the same size. Okay, don't worry. Now we again copy this code. We verify this, it's working or not. Now I'm entering here like 20. 7 is the last font size in HTML. You go to FileZilla and again upload this. After uploading, you go to your web page and refresh. Okay, it's the same. It's not take the like a big size after 7. Now we go to our HTML code again. Now we type here next line. You remove this. Now you type here color, then equal, then double quotes. Now you enter your color name, like I'm typing here pink. Then you press Ctrl S and go to FileZilla and again upload your file. After saving, you always upload your file first of all on your server, then go to web page and refresh and go to down. Okay, it's uploading and it's showing here our text, because here is not we apply any headings or font size, so it's showing is a normal size. Now we go back on our HTML page. Now we enter here like H1 and close here, then press Ctrl S and again FileZilla and again upload and wait and go to your web page and refresh and go to down. It's showing here this color. Normally we remember the like 7 to 8 colors in our mind, but colors is much. How do we take like different color in our HTML's program, text and paragraphs and for borders and so on. Now we go to Google, type here Google and you type here a HTML color code and click on the first link. Then you go to down and create your color according to you, which type of color you want. I'm selecting like example, I want different colors. Okay, I want this color. Now I'll go to here and copy this and go to your web page, HTML page. You go back. Okay, now you go to your HTML code page and paste this code. You remove pink and paste here. You press Ctrl Z, go to here and Ctrl V, then press Ctrl S. After saving this, you upload again this page on your web server. Okay, now you go to web page and go to your site and refresh. Okay, its color is now changing. In this way you change your text or paragraph colors. Okay, now go back. We have done like font size, font color. Next is the font face. We copy again this line. Then you press Ctrl V and now we type here font face. You remove color, you type here face. Okay, you always, when you create your website and when you design like your web page, that time you use always Google Fonts. You go to Google and search here Google Fonts. We go to here and type here again google.com. Then we type here like Google Font. Then enter. Now you click on the first link. Then you go to down. You select which font you want apply. You select here which font you apply on your paragraph or headings. Like I want apply this font on our web page. You click here. Then you click on download family. Then you OK. After this you click on this. Then you click here. Then you click on extract to. Then you click on C. Then you go Windows. Go to down. You go to find here like a font. Where is the font you find? You go to Windows section and carefully find here font. I think you go to System 32 and try to find here. Okay, it's not showing here. Now we click on C drive, then OK, and now you close this. Now you press shortcut Windows plus E and go to this PC and go to C drive and copy this and go to Windows and you press key F. Okay, it's showing here fonts. You double click on here. After double click here, you right click here and Control V. You right click and then click on Control V. This is the shortcut. You press Control V for paste, otherwise you right click and click on paste. Then you close this. Okay, our font name is this. You copy this font name and go to HTML page and now you paste here. Then Ctrl S and go to FileZilla and again upload your web page. Now you wait few seconds. Again go back your web page and refresh. It's still uploading, you wait. This is the free server, so many times it's take a problem for uploading, but don't worry, you upload. It's a many time network issue, IP address issue, so it's create a problem, but it's not a big deal. You do easily. Okay, go back on web page and again refresh. If you want check fastly, you go to here. Okay, it's uploaded. Okay, now you go back on our desktop and double click here and go to down. Okay, it's showing here. In this way you check, but you always take the Google fonts. Now we go to internet and refresh again and go to down. It's showing here our font face. Okay, now go back on HTML code page, then enter. Now I won't use like font size, face, color in one tag. That time you type here font size equal, then double quote. I want like 5. Then you make space, then you type your color, then equal, then again double quote and enter your code which type of color you want, then space, next is the face, equal, double quote and close, and in the last you close font. After closing this, you go to Google and paste the like I want this font color. You copy. If you change any word, your color is changed. Like I'm changing here C into the like F, and we paste the font face here. We copy this font face and you paste here. Okay, now it's good. Now you copy any text. I'm copying this line. Then go to here and paste here. Control V. After press Control S, save this document and go to FileZilla and again upload this page on web server. Now keep patience, it's uploading on web server. Now we go to our web page then you click on refresh. Okay, it's working. It's apply. Okay, now go back on our HTML page. It's showing here like a black color, then is this color. I want make like separate this line. Now go to HTML page. Okay, then you click here and you type here next tag name is the break. You type it like only BR, This tag is only used only one time, not need to close. You type BR, then you press Ctrl S and go to your web page. First of all, you update, you right click and again upload. Then go to here and refresh. Okay, this will make the like a break here. If you want like more space between this line and this line, that time you go to here again and you type again and again break code. You type here BR, then you copy this tag and paste according to you how much space you need between these lines. Then you press Ctrl S and go to FileZilla, then you right click here and again upload. After uploading this, and go to web page and again click on refresh. Okay, it's showing here in this way. Okay, now go back on our HTML code page. Now we're taking the next tag, that is the image. You make enter. Now we type here like image. You type here image, then make space and type here source image source. You type equal, then double quote, then close, then go to close this tag like image, then close. In this we close. Now you need a like a image source. Now we go to Google and download some image for our website. You type here like PNG clip art. First what we apply on our page. Okay, we type here like first of all we take the like image. We take like a Bollywood hero photo. You type here, then go to image. You click on any image. I take this, then you right click here, then you click on save. Then you go to our folder, web data, go to image folder and type your image name. Like I'm typing here 1, then you click on save. After save this, now you go to here and you type here you type here dot slash your folder name, image, slash and your picture name like 1.jpg. Then you press Ctrl S and go to FileZilla and again upload this page on server and wait for uploading. Then go to your web page and again refresh. It's still uploading. You keep patience and you check here again and again, refresh. When your picture is uploading, it's showing here, it's showing this icon now. Okay, we go to our desktop page and check there it's working or not. You double click here and go to down. It's working, but it's taking time on online server. You wait and oh, it's showing now. No, it's not. It's showing on our PC. It's showing it our PC path. Now we close this. It's making confusion more me. Okay, now you again here and again refresh. Okay, now you go to FileZilla. We forget one thing. We upload image. We have missing image on web server. Now you click here and click on upload. Now go back on your web page and refresh and go to down. It's showing image, but this image size is very big. Now you go to HTML page again. Okay, now you type here make space and you type here like height, then equal, and then double quote, I need like 250 pixel, then space, then width. You select this, then enter, equal, double quote, and you type it like 250 pixel. Then press Ctrl S and go to FileZilla and again upload this. This is successfully uploaded. Go to web page and refresh. In this way you control your image size. Next, now I want to change my web page background color. Now I want to change my background color, so we go to HTML page and go to top, then use space and type it like BZ color, then equal, then double quote, and now go to Google and type here HTML colors. You type it HTML color code, go to first link. Now you design background color for your site. Now you take the your background color which you want. I want this color. Now you copy this. After copy this code, go to your HTML page and now paste here. Then you press Ctrl S and again go to FileZilla, update your web page. Then go to your live site and make refresh. Okay, in this we change your background color. Next I want to adding a background image in my website. That time simple way, go to again HTML code, then you erase this line. Okay, you type here, erase this, you type here background image. Okay, we direct, you type here background image, then you type it src, then enter, and then enter your image path. We go to here, we type in like /image/1.jpg. Then you press Ctrl S and go to your FileZilla and again update your web page. Then go to your live site and make refresh. Okay, I think it's still uploading. Now we go to desktop and check here. You double click here. Okay, it's not showing. I think some problems in our code. We go to here and we check what is the problem. I think we type in background press Ctrl S and go to here and refresh. Okay, it's not showing background. Okay, I'm checking what is the problem. Okay, it's now working. You only type here like a body space background, then equal, then double quote and your image path. Then you press Ctrl S and check here. It's showing here your background. Now we go to FileZilla and again upload this page. And go to here on our live site and you make refresh. It's showing the background. In this way you add background on your site. Now we go to here. Now I'm taking the color only. Okay, I want this because I want to teach you something. You press Ctrl S and again go to FileZilla and again update your page and go to your live site and refresh. Okay, it's good. Now go to here. Now we type here like PNG transparent, anything like photo, logos, clip art. You type here. Then you take any clip art for your website. Like I want to take this clip art. When you click here, your background is automatically removed. But still it's showing you like a white background in this picture. Means that it's not transparent. You close this. Now we click on another, like we click here. It's not transparent. You close this. Okay, we go to up. Okay, we click on this word. Okay, it's not transparent. Okay, close this. It's not transparent. You click on another things, like I'm click on butterfly. Okay, it's the background is automatically changed to white to another color. Means that this is the your transparent image. You right click on this and click on save image as. Now you type here like 2 and picture format is the PNG. Then click on save. Here upon you go to HTML code paste and go to down and copy this line, then enter, paste and change the image name. You type here 2.png. Then you press Ctrl S and go to your web page. First of all, go to FileZilla and upload this page. And go to here and refresh. Okay, you go to again FileZilla and upload your image folder because we have add new image in our folder. That image is not available on our server. Okay, now we updated image folder. Okay, now we as well we check our code color. Okay, background. We type here basic color. Then press Ctrl S. And again FileZilla and update our web page. Then go to here and refresh. Okay, it's showing here like butterfly. Here is not any white background. This is called as a transparent image. In this way you add the images on your site. Next, now we go back on our web page. First of all, we go to Google. Now we find another images like this is called a PNG. Then you go to make space and type here GIF. GIF is the animated image. Okay, it's showing it like a without. You always click on the white color image. Like this picture have a white color. You click here and wait few seconds. It's not transparent or animated. You close this. You click on here and close this, and you check in this way. This is transparent but not animated. Okay, click here. Okay, it's not showing here. Okay, we remove this and type here GIF animated image. We type in this way, it's showing here. Now we click on this. Okay, it's butterflies color is changing, but background white to change another color. We close this, we don't need this, we need like some animated. Okay, we go to down. Okay, we click here. Okay, it's working like this, but here is like a white background. This background we don't need, we need only transparent. Okay, we click here. Okay, this have not any white background image. Okay, this is good for our website. Now we click here, then click on save image, and we type it like 3 and format is the GIF, GIF. Then you click on save. After saving this, after this, go to our HTML code page and go to down. Then you copy again this line, then enter, then press Ctrl V and change the image like 3, and you remove this. You type here GIF, then you press Ctrl S and go to your, then you go to FileZilla and update your web page. After updating your page, as well as you update your image folder, because we have added new image. Now go to your web page and refresh. Okay, it's showing here animation on your website. Next thing, now go back on our HTML page. Now if you want to add animation, now you make enter. Now you go to Google and search different image. Now I need like a bike. You type here bike, then space. We click here. Okay, it's the animated. Now we click here and save this image. Now you type here format is the GIF, then you click on save and go back on your HTML code page. First we copy this line and we go to top. Now this time we adding this image in top section. You press Ctrl V here. Okay, now we change this like 4 and remove the height width. Okay, we increase this, I think we make here 4 and 4. Then press Ctrl S and go to FileZilla, update your image folder, as well as update your web page. Then go to here and go to web page, then refresh. Go to top. Okay, it's showing here, but it's working here. Now I want to make the animation here. Now we go to on our page, and this time I'm changing the background. It's showing when go to open our web page, it's showing like a something white portion here. Okay, if you want to change this, we like make it like a perfect color according this. Now we go to HTML page and we remove this. We take the like a white background according to animation, then you press Ctrl S. After this you go to enter. Next is the mark you. Mark you is the animation tag. You type here like mark you. then here, and close here. Because we apply this effect only image, you close after image. Then press Ctrl S and go to FileZilla and update your page. And you refresh this page. Okay, it's working perfect. Oh my god, it's running in a wrong way. Okay, we said this is the right way. You go to here and change the direction of your animation. You go to here and space make type direction. Then equal and type here like which type you like right. You make double quote and type here right. Then press Ctrl S and go to FileZilla and again update your page. And go to here and again refresh. Okay, it's now is good. Okay, these are our basic HTML code. With this code you create like a normal and good website. Okay, now we create a website. With this code we have already added like animated image on our header. Okay, if you want to change the direction like right, left, up, down, you only type here. That time your animation work this. Now I'm erasing this code. Now we create like a proper web page. Okay, now first of all we type here like center. Center used for you arrange your paragraph or text in page center. You type here center and then we taking a heading like H1 and I'm typing here like our school. Then we close heading 1 H1 as well as we close center. After closing this tag, you press Ctrl S and again go to FileZilla and update your web page. And you click here refresh. Our heading showing is here, but I won't make this attractive. That way you go to here and you add like something. You click here and we typing here like font space size equal like double quote, then 7, it's the last, then space, you type here color, then equal, then double quote, then you type here face, then equal, then double quote, then in the last you close here font, because we apply this style only this tag. Okay, now we go to internet and finding the perfect color for our text. We type here Google and type here again HTML color code and go to first link, then go to down and pick the any perfect color for your text. I want this color. You copy this and go to your web page and paste here. Next we need a face. We go to Google and take the face style. You type here again Google, then now you type here Google font, and finding your perfect font for your site. Okay, we click on this and we take this font. This name is the Saint one. You copy this and download this, then click on OK, then you click here, then you click here, then you select this font file, then extract to C drive, then OK, and close this and go to this PC. You press plus Windows plus E key, go to C drive and copy this font and go to Windows folder, then you go to fonts and paste here your font file. You press Ctrl V and wait, then close this. Now you go to your HTML code page and you paste here your font name. Font name is color 1. You go to here. Okay, you copy this. Okay, now you copy your font and paste here your font name. Then you Ctrl S, go to FileZilla and right click here and upload. Then go to your live site and save. Okay, it's changing. Okay, we go to here again. Okay, we check what is the problem. I think it's not matching with the font. You go to here and again check the font. Okay, it's now updating. Okay, you click here and again check. Okay, it's not working. I think it's a font problems. Okay, you go to press Windows plus R and type notepad, then enter. Then go to format and click on font and you type here that font name. Okay, it's showing here like. Now you copy this and close and close. If the name same, you paste here. Okay, it's not, everything is good. Okay, you press Ctrl S again and go to FileZilla and update your page again. And go to here and refresh. I think this font is looking like this. Okay, now we change the font. You press Windows plus R and notepad, then click on font and we apply the last font. Last font is starting from L. This is our Google font. You copy this and go to HTML page and change this. Then press Ctrl S and go to FileZilla and update this and go to your live server and refresh. Okay, I think it's not working here. Now we changing here. We copy this, Ctrl X, and we again type here font face, then equal, then double quote and this, and paste here font face and again close here font because we using font 2 times, so we close font 2 times. After save this and go to FileZilla and again update page. Oh, what is the problem? It's not changing. Okay, just 1 minute. Okay, just 1 minute. I'm checking. Okay, it's the problem. Double quote. You close this. Okay, what is the missing here? Okay, you go to here and remove this and save and go to here and again update. Okay, it's not working. Just 1 minute. I'm checking what is the problem. Okay, we remove the like heading ones. It's the problem because we already using the like a font size. You press Ctrl S and again here and again update. Okay, it's now changing. Now go to here. Okay, our face. Okay, no problem. Font face. You click here. And make the correct. These are our mistake. We have correct this. Now press Ctrl S and go to here and again update page. Okay, now is everything is okay. Okay, then we again here. Now we enter second line. Now we type here BR for break line. Then enter. Now we typing here playground for everyone. You press Ctrl S and go to FileZilla and update your piece and go to your live server and refresh. Okay, it's showing here, but I need this line in the center. Now go to here and you type here center. Then this and close here center. Then you press Ctrl S and go to FileZilla and upload this page and go to live server and refresh. Okay, it's showing here. Now I need like a little bit big size. That time you go to here and now you apply here font size equal like 4. Then if you want to enter any color, you go to here and type like color equal red. Then you press Ctrl S and go to here and update your page and refresh. Okay, it's showing here. Now if you want like a little bit more big color, okay, if you want like a little bit more big size of your font, you go to here and increase this. Now this time I'm entering here like 6, and then we change the like a face. You copy this code, font face. Okay, we typing here like only face. We checking this it's working or not here. Then press Ctrl S and go to FileZilla, then upload and go to here and refresh. Okay, it's showing here but not changing like face. Click here. Now we take the second. You go to here, you type here like here font family, then enter, then equal, then you press Ctrl S and go to FileZilla and upload this page. Okay, it's not working. I think some problems. Okay, we change this. We typing in like face. Okay, we got this and paste here. Then press Ctrl S and go to FileZilla and again update page. Okay, it's not showing any effects. Okay, now we will verify this it's working or not. We copy only this and go to here and enter. then close and type anything here like welcome and close this. Then press Ctrl S and go to FileZilla and again update. Okay, it's showing here but not showing like any effects here. I think sometime make problem with browsers. Now first of all we close this browser and close tab and again open this browser. After open this browser, go to the setting, you click here setting option, then you type here clear, then you click here clear data, then clear, now clear history. You select cache, cookies, then OK. After that, you go to new tab and again browse your site. You type here mraki.eu5.org. Then enter. It's showing now. We have now successfully resolved our problems. Now we go to the next task. Now we create clickable buttons here. Now first of all we remove this message. Okay, now we go to our coding page. Okay, you press Ctrl S and go to FileZilla, then again upload your page. You click it upload and wait for uploading, then you click on refresh. It's now done. Now we have successfully got our proper text here. Okay, this is looking now good. Okay, now go back our coding page, then you type here like image, then space src, then equal, then double quote, then this. Okay, after this you go to Google, you click here and type google.com, then you type here like png web button, then search, then go to image and click here png transparent. Okay, sometime not showing like a transparent pictures. That time you select any pictures. We make transparent online. Okay, now we click on this button. Then you right click here. Then you click on save image and click here save. You type image name like 6. Then save and open new tab. Then find here make transparent image. You go to this link, make transparent background and go to first link, then click on upload and go to your web data folder, then image and select this image. Okay, it's now transparent. Now you click on download, then you click on save. Now you go to download folder, and copy this image and go to your desktop and go to web data, then image and delete this image and right click here and paste. Okay, it's showing here. Now we change this name, rename, we enter here like 6, then close, then close. Now we go to our HTML code page. Now we type here like dot slash and folder name image slash and image name is the 6, then press Ctrl S and go to web page. It's offline, you refresh, it's showing now. Okay, now we will adjust this image size. Go back your HTML page and you type here like height and width. Okay, now you copy this code and click here then make space, then press Ctrl V, and enter here double quote. Okay, now you press Ctrl S and go to here and refresh. Okay, go back coding page. Now decrease the height, we add like 150 and make his like 250. Then you press Ctrl S and go to here and refresh. Okay, it's little bit big. Now go back coding page and decrease more, like we make like 100. Then press Ctrl S and refresh. Okay, it's now good. Now if want you adjust in a right side, that time you go to here and now you type here P align, you type here P align, then equal, then double quote and type here like right, then press Ctrl S and go to here and refresh. Okay, it's showing here right side, and go back here. Now you close here with P, you close P align with the P tag, then you press Ctrl S and go to FileZilla and update your index.html page on web server. Now go to your live site. It's our live website. Now you click on refresh. Okay, it's showing here our this page. Okay, it's showing here our button. Now we go back coding page. Now you type here href tag A, then space href, then equal, then double quote, then tag, and you close this tag with A. You type here A. Now you give the link here. Okay, we want to add here like Google link. You go to new tab and type here like google.com. You copy this and go to coding page and paste here. Then Ctrl S and go to FileZilla and update page and go to live site and refresh. When now you go to on, after refresh, go to Google button. Okay, it's not showing here any link. Again refresh. Okay, it's now working. When you move your cursor to Google, it's making it clickable. When you move your cursor on this button, that time it's showing. When you move your cursor on image, that time your cursor convert into the hand symbol, means that this image is clickable. Means that this image is now clickable. Now you click here, Google is open. Now go back. In this way you create a, in this way you could create a link on your web page. Okay, now go back on coding page. If you want to create like a text link, that time you go to enter. If you want to create a text link, that time you copy this code, then enter, and you remove image and type here any text like Facebook, then press Ctrl S and go to FileZilla and again update your page and go to here and refresh. It's not showing. Again refresh. Okay, it's showing here your Facebook text. Okay, if you want to change like this button color, that time you click here, it's opening Google. If you want to change to Facebook, that time you go to here and type here first of all facebook.com. You copy this and go to your coding page and change this URL with Facebook. You type here Control V. Then if you want change like this Facebook font style or text, if you want change like Facebook text color and font, that time you go to here and type here like B for bold. Then you type here like font size equal double quote 4, then space color equal blue. Then and close this. Now we close here first of all bold, then you close font, then you press Ctrl S and go to FileZilla and again update your page on server and then go to live site and wait few seconds and again refresh. Go to down. In this way you could change the like your text color and styles. Now you click on Facebook button. It's opening a Facebook. Now you click on go back. If you want to adjust these buttons, now go back coding page. Now we taking here right. Okay, now it is right. We open. It's apply on second line automatically. Now you press Ctrl S and go back FileZilla and update again. Then go to your live site and refresh. Again refresh. Okay, it's not showing your text. Okay, now we go back here. Now we type here left. Then you press Ctrl S and go to FileZilla and again update this. Okay, it's uploaded. Now you refresh. Okay, it's adjust now. Okay, but it's showing in a second line. We want to add a, okay, it's showing in second line Facebook, but we want in same line. Okay, go back coding page. Now we copy this. Okay, problem is here is a P line is closed, so it's not showing. Now we open this. Now press Ctrl S and again update this. Now we refresh. Okay, it's showing like this. If you want to create like a YouTube link, you go to your coding page. Now you copy this. Then enter. Then you go to Google and open Facebook. Sorry. Okay, now you open YouTube and copy this link and go to your coding page and replace this URL with your YouTube. In this way you add here like Twitter. You copy this and enter. Ctrl V, go to browser and now you type here like twitter.com. Okay, you copy this URL and go to your coding page. Now you replace this URL with your Twitter URL. Then you press Ctrl S and go to FileZilla and again update your web page on server. It's successfully uploaded. Now go to your live site and refresh. Go to down, it's showing like this. Now go back your coding page and check what is the problem. Okay, P line is open, but here is closed. Now we remove this and you click here and again remove and again remove. Okay, now P line is open till here. Now we close here P line. Okay, now we change the like a button names. You click here and you change this like YouTube and here Twitter. Then press Ctrl S and go to FileZilla and update web page on server and go to your live site and again refresh. Okay, it's showing like this. Here is some problem like your old text come into single line. Now go back on your coding page. Okay, now we click here. Now enter and you type like tag PRE. Now you click here and make space like this. Then you press Ctrl S and go to your FileZilla and update your page again. And go to live server and refresh. Okay, it's working like this. Now go back on your coding page. Now you click here and go back top and make some little space. Then press Ctrl S and go to FileZilla and again update. Now go to your live site and refresh. Okay, it's showing like this. When we click on YouTube, it's opening YouTube. When you click on Facebook, it's opening Facebook. When you click on Twitter, it's opening Twitters. First of all, we open the Google in new tab, then you type here. First we need a text for our paragraph. You type here once there was a crow. Then go to the first link. Now you scroll down and copy first paragraph. Press Ctrl C. Then you go to your coding page and click here and paste here. Then you press Ctrl S and go to your FileZilla and update your page. It's uploading. Now you go to your live site. Then you click here refresh. Now you go to down. It's showing your paragraph here, but it's showing here a link. I think some code missing in our code page. Now go back and check here what is the problem. Okay, you close here PRE, then press Ctrl S and go back FileZilla and again upload this page on server. Then go back on your live site and again refresh. Okay, click on this. This is opening the Twitter account, means that our code problem in Twitter. You go back coding page and check the tweeters. It's starting from here, tweeters. Okay. Okay, it's here. Now you remove this. Now you press Ctrl S and go back FileZilla and update your file on server. Then you go to your live server and again refresh. Okay, it's now normal. Now go back on your coding page and click here. Now we type here like font, size, equal like 4, then close, then press Ctrl S and go to your web page and again update and go to your live site and refresh. Your font size now increase. Now I want this first word big. Now go back on your coding page. Now first of all we click here like 7 and click here, then you type here like font and close this, then you press Ctrl S and go back your FileZilla and again update this page and go to your live site and refresh again. It's showing like this. Now I want to make big size of all letter, then go back coding page and now you remove this and paste here, then you press Ctrl S and go to your FileZilla, again update and check on your live site, again refresh. It's now good. Okay, now go to again coding page. Now we copy this page. Okay, now you copy this tag and click here and paste here again. Now we type here like 4, then you press Ctrl S and go to FileZilla and again update. Now you go to your live site and again refresh. Now we will make more changes in this code. Now go back on your coding page and increase the little bit size of your text like 5, then press Ctrl S, as well as we click here and again paste the font tag here, then you close here. Then you press Ctrl S and go back FileZilla. Okay, again right click here and upload and go to your live site and refresh. Okay, it's showing like this. Now we will change color of all letter. Now you click here, then space and type here color, then equal, then double quote. Now you type here your color code and color name like orange. Then press Ctrl S and go to FileZilla and again upload. And again refresh. And again color is changed orange. If you want to make bold, then go to coding page and you click here and type here like B for bold and close here. In this way you change the every letter's color and size. Then you right click here, then again upload and again refresh. Okay, it's now bold. B here is okay, bold is open here, you close this, then press Ctrl S and go back FileZilla and again upload and again refresh. Okay, it's now good. In this way you adjust your paragraph and change the paragraph colors and make headings and make the attractive design with fonts. Now go back coding page. If you want add heading here, you click here, then enter and you add any heading like we adding here like heading 1, then you type any text like cool HTML coding. Then you close heading 1. Then you press Ctrl S and go back FileZilla and again upload your page and go to your live site and refresh. In this way you add your headings. Okay, now go back coding page, then enter. Now we again type here like P or paragraph, then you again close P and we typing here like something. I won't write down like this, like A, then space, then B and again space, then C, then again space, then D, then E. I won't write down like this. Then you press Ctrl S and go to FileZilla and again upload and go to your live site and again refresh and go to down. It's showing like this but not showing here any space. We resolve this problem. Go to coding page and you type here PRE. Then you again type here PRE, then you space, then go to FileZilla, then you click here upload, go to your site and refresh. Again refresh and go to down. It's showing like this. It's make text according to you if you're using a PRE. Next, how to create an internal page of our site. Now go back. First of all, we click here, then we click on save as. Okay, our folder name is web data and you type your second page name. Like I'm typing here, second page name is like image.html. Then click on save. Now our page name is image.html. Now we remove this coding. Delete, because this is our different page. Now you press Ctrl S. Now we go to FileZilla and right click here and refresh. Then you click here and click on upload. Now go to your coding page. Now we will create button for our image page. Now you click on file and click on open and open your index page. Then you go to down and click here, then enter. Otherwise, okay, you copy this Twitter link, then press Ctrl C and click here and Ctrl V and type here your page name. Page name is image.html. You type here ./image.html. Then you type your button name like image. Then you press Ctrl S and go to FileZilla and again upload your index.html file on live server. Then you go to your site and click on refresh. It's showing here. If you click here, it's opening your second page. Now you click on back. Okay, now we adjust this button with the above link. Now go back coding page and click here and make space, because we are using PRE, so it's showing like with space. Now you press Ctrl S and go back FileZilla and again upload. Go to your live site and click on refresh. Okay, it's showing like here. Again refresh. Okay, go back coding page. Okay, it's closing here like a P line, so it's not showing. You remove this and close here. Then you press Ctrl S and again go to FileZilla and again upload. Go to your live server and refresh. Okay, go back coding page and check what is the problem. Okay, you remove this. Okay, press Ctrl Z. It's for Twitter. Okay. Okay, remove this. Okay, image. Okay, now it's good. Now you press Ctrl S again and go to FileZilla and again upload. And click here. Okay, now it's working. If you click here, it's showing your image.html page. Now click on back. Now we will work on image.html page. Go back on coding page. Now you click on image.html and first of all we create here home back button. We go to index.html page and copy this code and paste and remove this. Now we type here like http / and our domain name like mraki.eu5.org. This is our home button link. Now you go to here and change your button name like home and remove this. We don't need here. Then you press Ctrl S and go to your FileZilla and upload HTML image.html page and click here and upload this and go to your live server and click on image and click on refresh. It's showing here. When you click here, it's opening like this. When you click here, it's opening this. In this way you create your internal link. Now we will create a gallery on this page. First of all, you go back on your coding page. Now click on index.html page and copy the image code here. Okay, we click here and copy this and go back image page and paste here and remove this link and okay, now you click here, you add like 250. Okay, now we need the images for our gallery. We go to Google and download some images for our website. You go back and you click here and download pictures like we typing here. Hollywood actress, click here, then you click on image and download 6 images for your gallery. We click here, then you right click here, then click on save image and go to your web data folder on desktop, click here, then you go to image folder and enter name like 2 and format is the JPG, then you click on save, then you click on next and right click here and again save and enter name here like 3, then again save and again next, okay, next, okay, again next, we need like a single photo, okay, you click here, then you click on save image and you type a 4, then save again, okay, right click here, then save image, now 5, then save and again, okay, right click here and again save as 6, then save. Okay, now go back your coding page. First we type here like 1, then you press Ctrl S and go to FileZilla and update your page, as well as you update your image folder and go to your live site and refresh. Okay, it's showing like this. If you want add here any text regarding your image, like sometime your image is missing, that time is showing like this. If you add here any message, that time you go to your coding page and you type here like alt equal and double quote and enter your text like image loading. Then press Ctrl S and go to FileZilla and again upload and go to here and click here. Okay, it's showing like this. When your image uploads successfully on web server, that time it's showing. This time your image is missing on web server, so we getting this error, image loading. Now we go back coding page and click here and change the format of your pictures, 1.jpg. Then you press Ctrl S and go to FileZilla and again upload image.html file. Then you go to your live site and again refresh. Again, okay, it's showing like this. Now we will adjust this image height and width. We go back on coding page. Height is good, but width is not good. Go back coding page and decrease the height of this image like 150. Then you press Ctrl S and go back FileZilla and again update your page and refresh. Okay, it's now good. Okay, close your font and you click here and enter the next BR for break line. Then you press Ctrl S and go to FileZilla again and again update your image. Then you go to here and refresh. Okay, it's showing now this way. Now go back on coding page and you type again BR and again BR and again BR. We need like for 4 to 6 times. Then you press Ctrl S and go to FileZilla and again update your image.html page on web server. Then you go to live site, again click on refresh. This time is now good. Now go back coding page. Now you copy this line. We download 6 pictures from Google. Now we add 6 images here. Now you paste Ctrl V, then enter Ctrl V. Sorry, you press Ctrl Z, again enter, then again enter, then again, then again. Now you change the image names. Now you change image name like 2, 3, and click here 4, then click here 5, then 6. Now you press Ctrl S, then go to FileZilla and again upload this page and click on refresh. It's showing like this. Go back your coding page. You copy these images, like we copy 3 images. Ctrl C, then enter, then Ctrl V, then you Ctrl S, and go back FileZilla and again update this page and refresh. Okay, it's showing like this. Okay, now go back coding page and remove one pictures. Then we click here and we adjust all image in center. You type here like center and you close, click here, then enter and close here center. Then you press Ctrl S and go to FileZilla and again update this page and go to live server and refresh. Okay, it's showing like this. This picture is clickable but it's not working because here is not any link. Next, go to your HTML page and click here border, then enter, then equal, then double quote. If you want add border like 5, then you press Ctrl S and go to FileZilla and again upload and click here. It's showing border like this. Okay, now we add border all image. You just copy this code and click here and paste. Then you press Ctrl S and again go to FileZilla and again update this page and go to your live server and refresh. In this way you add the border on your pictures. Next, now I want this when anyone click on this image, that time these pictures come in a big size. Let's start the lab. Okay, first of all we create more pages like 6 pages. Here is like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 images. We need 6 pages for this work. We go to HTML page. Okay, go back your coding page. Okay, now you click on file and then you click on save as. Okay, now you type here like image1. You enter your page's name according to you. Now we type here like image.1.html. Then you press save. Okay, now we go to the, now you click here. Okay, it's showing here like a image.1.html page. Okay, you remove this. Delete this. 1.jpg pictures is here. Now we adjust this. Now you press Ctrl S. Okay, first we click here and click on open and you open your image.html page. Okay, it's showing here. Now we create a link here. You click here and you type here like / and your page name like image1.html. Then you press Ctrl S and go to FileZilla and again update it. Okay, go to FileZilla and again update this page, as well as you right click here and refresh. You right click here and refresh and upload image1.html on web server. Now you go to live site and click on refresh. When you click on this image, that time it's showing here. Okay, now we need like a big size of this image. Now go back coding page and go to image.1. Now you increase the size of your image. Now we will increase size of image. Now we entering here like 4 and you enter here like 2. Then you press Ctrl S. Okay, now we will increase size of image. You click here and we enter like 4 and you enter here like 2. Then you press Ctrl S and go to FileZilla and again update this page and click here and refresh. Okay, it's showing like this. It's now good. Next, I need here like a back button and forward button. Now go back to your coding page. Then you type here like PR break line. You tap like 3 times. Then enter. Now you type here like PRE. Then you type here like next and make space and type here like back. Then you close this. Then you press Ctrl S and copy this code. And paste here. Then you click here and enter this image path. Okay, wait. Okay, next button not need like any link. We make link on back button. Okay, we add. Okay, just 1 minute. I'm checking what is the problem. Okay, now you click here. You enter here // and second page name like image2.html. This is your second page. Back button is not need because we have already on first page, so we don't need back button link. Okay, then go to here. Okay, you remove this link from here. Then you press Ctrl S and go to FileZilla and again upload this page. And go to live server and refresh. Okay, it's showing like this. Back and next. When you click on next button, it's showing error because we have not a second page. So we click on back. If you click on back, it's working because some coding missing in our page. Go back on coding page and check what is the problem. You click here and close the link here. You type /a. Okay, now it's okay, now this link will work on next button. It's not working on back. Then you press Ctrl S and go back FileZilla and again update this page. Then you go to your live server and refresh. Back button link is removed. It's only working on next. Okay, now go to this page. Now you press Ctrl S and click on File, then click on Save As. Now you click here and type it like 2.html, then save. In this way you again click and again click and again now you type it like 3.html, then save. Again go to File, again click on Save As, and in this way you create it like a 6 pages. 4.html, then save. .html, then click on save. And type it like 6.html, then click on save. Now you click here File and click on Open and open all pages like 2. Again open, now open 3. Again File. Okay, then click on Open. Now you open 4, 5 and 6. Then you press Ctrl S and go to, first of all we go to 2. Okay, we type here like 3 and copy this link, Ctrl C and click here and paste, and you type here like 2. When user click on back button, that time user come back to 2. Okay, just 1 minute. This is our second page. Okay, it's good. When user click on next, that time go to 2, and when user click on 2, that time come back to second page. Sorry, it's type here 1. And you enter here 2. Then you press Ctrl S. This is the second image. When user click on next, that time show the third image, and when user click on back, that time show the first, because this person already on the second page. Now we go to third page. You type here like 3 is the third page. If user click on like next button, that time show like 4 image, and when user click on back, that time show third image. You press Ctrl C and click here and paste, and click here and close hyperlink, and you enter here 3. Press Ctrl S. In this way go to 4 and you type here like 4. When user click on next, that time show like image number 5. You copy this, and when user click on back, that time show 4, and close link here, save and go back. Okay, now go to next page and you type here like 6. Okay, here is next button is not working because we have not more pages, so we remove the link here and remove this and paste here. When user click on back, that time show 5, and close link here, then you press Ctrl S. Okay, just 1 minute. We typing it like 6 and type it like 5 because we are working on page number 5. Then you press Ctrl S. Okay, you copy this. We need this just 1 minute. Cut and click here and paste here. It's showing here like 6 and close link here. Okay, when user click on back, that time show 4 number. You type here, enter 4. Then you press Ctrl S, and now you go to 6 number page. It's the 6. You type it like 6. When user click on next, that time not showing any images, you remove this. And paste here. Now you enter 5 for back and close link here. Then you press Ctrl S and upload all pages on your web server. You right click here and refresh. Now select all these pages and right click here and upload. Now you go to your live site and click on home first of all and click on image. It's showing like this. You click on any one. Okay, now you click on any image like this. It's opening like this. When you click on next, it's showing like this. If you click on back, I think is something missing here. Okay, we click on next and click here back. Okay, next. Okay, it's working. And click on next and again next. Okay, it's back. Okay, it's the page number 4. Here is some problem. We resolve this. Okay, we go to coding page and go to page number 4 and we finding here back. You type it like 3. Then you press Ctrl S and go to third number page and you type it like 2. Then save and go back FileZilla and again upload these pages. And right click here. Okay, click. Okay, refresh this page. Now you click on back. Okay, again refresh and click on back. It's working. Next and back. In this way you create a gallery of your images. If you click on home, you go back on your first page.